Hello. People are depressed, but the chemicals they need aren't necessarily outside of their bodies. They're inside. Secretions stimulated by the contraction of muscles, hope molecules. They will be a cheap, if not free, therapy session. You need them. After all, the human body was built for adventure. It was built for suffering. If you don't do something physically, there's a good chance you're going to be depressed. You need to move. Your body is built to move. And with the stimulation of these hope chemicals through the contraction of muscles, you too can feel better in your own being. It should be mandatory. If you work out to look more intimidating, sure, why not? If you lift weights for that reason, or if you lift weights for martial arts, to become more powerful, dangerous, whatever the reason is, if you pick up a weight, if you start training, you will stimulate hope molecules, which in turn act as therapy. We need to move. That in and of itself should be a movement for all to follow. Everyone should be like brushing our teeth. Training should be like brushing our teeth. Physical training. We should all be well versed in it, especially young men. It should be a part of our lives, regardless of who you are. If not, you can't really complain about your depression. Maybe you don't have the time, maybe wrong. You can always squeeze in a few minutes per day, and that can snowball into minutes more. The human vessel unlocks more potential the more you put upon it. To get moving, it's mandatory for peak mental